In this video, I'm going to show you how to add income to FreshBooks. Now to do this, you can either generate and send client invoices, mark received invoices as paid, or manually log non-client money, okay? So I'm going to show you how to do both right now. So of course, the first way is to basically track client payments using invoices. So you want to go to the Invoices tab over here on the left, and then you want to click on a new invoice up top, and then of course over here you'll have to fill in client invoices. You'll have to basically put in different lines. I'll just do some examples over here like this, for example. Quantity, I'm going to do it as 5, and then this could be like an invoice. You can click on the save button up top, and then whenever you do that, your invoice is going to be saved. Of course, you can also save it if you wanna. Then you can click on it, go to more actions, add a payment, and then that way, of course, you can mark it as paid. So select the method, bank transfer, for example, click on add payment, and you're good to go. You've basically done it that way. You've essentially added your income using invoices, okay? That's the first way to do it. Down here, you can see all of your invoices and the grand totals. Then the second method is going to be basically adding non-invoice income, which is other income. You want to go to payments over here on the left, then click on this tab, the third one, which is other income, and then under all other income, click on the plus button, and from here you can just basically add other income. So you can type in whatever you want, like the source. For example, if I do like Etsy over here, for example, you can even create different sources. You can put on dates, you can put the tax, the grand total. We're gonna do 100 over here. You can do income category. We're gonna do like online sales, payment methods. You have like a bunch of different ones. For me, it's for some reason glitching a little, so let me do it like that. We're gonna do card. There we go. Then you have to assign to a client if you wanna, and you can add a description. Click on a check mark, and there we go. You've added your income that way as well, okay? So that's how to add income. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.